Alright y'all, check it out. It's Friday and I'm heading over to San Antonio to Lake Calaveras. Gonna go to the Fin Addict fishing tournament tomorrow, which is Saturday. But we're getting there early so we can do some fishing today. Hopefully fill the boat with some catfish, maybe some redfish. And that tournament tomorrow is for redfish, and there's some side pots and all that type of good stuff. But you've seen my fishing skills, so I ain't promising anything. I'm not gonna be with DNA this trip, so I know I probably ain't gonna catch anything. But we'll see how it goes. I brought everything in the kitchen sink, except for dynamite, and I've been known to do that too. So anyway, y'all, I'm just waiting on my buddy, and we're gonna get out of here, because this is a HOG zone! It's gonna be intense. Yeah, he's blocking it, so don't get in front of me, man. Cutters, don't cut line.
Trooper's going, boy, didn't you measure that thing?
Look at that shit. That's some big old tanks, man.
Big tank. I bet that's it.
That bridge.
That fucking bridge. They go, oh shit, stop.
It's only 16 foot too. They should be able to deal with it. Well, that was one hell of a ride. We're here now, and so we're gonna go find camp, get set up, and then we're gonna get out on the water, maybe catch a few catfish, see what happens. That's the casa, y'all. That's tonight. We're headed out. We're gonna go try to catch a few catfish, maybe a couple of redfish. You know, we're here on Friday, so gotta do what we gotta do. You ready, Frank?
Ready.
You had the 5-minute training session, and you're ready to fish on a kayak.
Ready. He's
ready to fish on a kayak after 5 minutes. Now that's hardcore. Hardcore.
You are watching the HOG Zone.
Y'all, looks like we got some storm clouds, but we don't care. We're heading out anyway. Maybe we'll have a lightning bolt or two land next to us, pull up some fish for us.
There you go.
But it's hotter than hell. I got a fish. I got me a damn good fish.
HOG Zone.
Caught a fish. Yes, I did. Probably wind noise from hell on this, Frank. Frank's virgin voyage, and he did very well, I have to admit. Better than me. Yeah, pour some of that beer on there, man. There you go. That's how you season it up, man. Where there's smoke, there's good food. Oh, yeah. Keep it on me.
around,
All right, y'all, got that C. Dick Burn hot sauce Buck Snort sent me, or gave me as a present, because my name's Richard. Got burned. Yeah, it got burned, but not too bad. It's cayenne. It's actually pretty good. Hey, Buck Snort, appreciate it. Just want to give you a little shout out. C. Dick Burn. I hope it doesn't have a problem like with tomorrow or something, you know. Anyway, appreciate it, man. Hey y'all, it's 6:30 in the morning. Gonna go ruin some redfish today. Just waking up. All I can say is that air conditioning is a beautiful thing. We didn't have any. Yeah, tent camping. It's only about 85 last night, I think. And they're off to the races. This dude's going out backwards. Tell us about it. You gonna win? Alright. You sure?
That's what we came for. It better.
Alright, y'all, I'm out on the water. I'm doing some trolling, as you can see right here. That's how I caught that redfish yesterday. I'm trying to get out to the secret spot, right? So anyway, everybody's spreading out across the lake like a bunch of ants from an ant pile. And hopefully we'll catch some fish. We'll see what happens. Well, y'all, we trolled all the way out here. We're under the power lines. I don't know if you can see them. I guess you can. Anyway, we trolled all the way out here. It's 4 miles basically back to camp. So, we're trying to catch some catfish. We're looking for some reds, but just not getting any bites. So we may have to go all the way back and go around the other side of the lake. Well, y'all, trying to get back over where we were yesterday. This is where the term slow boat to China comes into effect. We're doing what we can do. Hitting some waves. Some kind of balloon party going on. Pink Floyd comes to mind. My buddy hooked into a big old red. He's reeling it in right now. I'm trying to get over to him so we can get some intense fishing action looking. Man, he's kicking your ass. Oh yeah, woohoo! Nice. Awesome, man.
What a fight.
That was, man. That was cool. Hey, hold him up real quick. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice. Look at the color on that thing, man.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
That's a nice big red.
Yeah, man. On a shrimp, huh? First kayak. Heck yeah, congrats, man. All right, y'all. Frank managed to catch one today. I'm still trying. Still using the same bait he is, so we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get lucky, maybe I won't. But nobody seems to be having a lot of luck, so we'll see what happens. Well, y'all, it's been pretty slow. I don't know how everybody else is doing. I talked to Jesus. He didn't catch anything. It's 1:30 right now, so we got to get in by 3. And we probably got, I don't know. We got some water to cover. So, we're doing all right. Having a lot of fun.
Go, bro. I know about you, but I'm kind of thinking this paddle straight in.
Wow. 1185. 1185.
But it's a good one. Heck yeah, Frank, all right.
I can't say that you guys came from Katy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All the way down from Houston. Yeah.
Heck yeah, man, that's great. Well, y'all, that's the end of the HOG. We're headed back to Houston. I just want to thank Fin Addict for putting on that awesome tournament. And I know my buddy here who took 3rd place and brought home the cash. He's awful happy about it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, get that.
They also had a whole slew of door prizes, so I got me a cooler. Brand new Engel cooler. So, can't beat it. There was other stuff given away. Great time, great people. Had a blast. Did get a little sunburn though. Just a little. Anyway, y'all, appreciate you watching. The HOG Zone!
You are watching the HOG Zone.